Hello guys, this is me, Jamie Lang, about to start my 2008 Honda CRF 80F. It's got nearly bull rear knobbly tyres, but who cares? Still goes. So I'm gonna get a start. Cold? Did I say cold start? I don't know. Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be a cold start. It's on. Can't read the thing properly. Yep. So I'm gonna turn. I don't know if you can see that. Turn the ignition on, and yeah, there's a few things to do. The choke on half. I did another film. I was about to upload it, but it took too long. I was going to upload it at the wrong time. Plus, there was a lot of wind noise, and I would have had to put a lot of annotations repeating what I tried to say. The wind noise in the way, so yeah. Choke's on half. Put the wrist strap on my left hand. Hold the thing. So the scenery's not going to be amazing. Not going to be lots of scenery. Probably me just trying to get the thing started. Whoa, smoking a bit there. Can't get much of a smoke show. I haven't got the choke on. It's a bit cold. Anyway, gotta go guys. See ya.